Hello friends, in this session we will see that how to create website templates, and you can also download many website templates from there are so many websites like free csstemplate.org and freewebsitetemplate.com and etc. Now in this session we will see that how can we create a website template using HTML, CSS and using some other resources like images and etc. For this I just close this, and I have downloaded a website template HotAirBallons from this free css templates.org, and you can get so many others from there. Just open it and see. There is an index.html for viewing the .html text. Just go to the tools, folder option, view, and show hide extension. Just uncheck the hide extension and OK. Now you can see there is index.html. If I double click or open this in a web browser, you will see a template, website template. Actually this is the basic structure for your website. So if we create this template, and we can also create the other pages to this. So just go to this folder and look at this. This is the license.txt. Suppose I delete this is because this we are not bothered about the license at this time. And here is a images folder which is having some images. This images is used in this particular template. So now we are going to create a website template which is similar to this particular template using HTML and CSS, but we do not use the coding which is given already. We will create coding by ourselves, and we only use these images and create our own website. Now here is the CSS file are also there, but we will also not use this. So for making my own website template, I just minimize this and just right click and create a new folder. Suppose my website template. Okay. Open it, and first of all I just go to HotAirBallons and just copy in this images folder and paste into my website template folder, because we are going to use these images in our website. So I just pasted in my website template folder. Okay, fine. Now we will put this away and we will get it in the center. And okay, to create this I just go to the Dreamweaver and open a Dreamweaver. And create a HTML page. Just go to the coding and just remove this one or two lines so that my HTML is a little bit simpler. Okay, change it, my template, and save it. Save this particular folder into the desktop, my website template, and just give name template.html. You can give any other name to this particular HTML page. Save it. Okay. So now you get a template.html page, but at this time this page is not having any HTML or any design, so it's blank. now we have to create this my template as it is, this particular HotAirBallons template. So okay, first of all, look this template. I just pressed control key and scroll with my mouse so I can reduce the size of this template. Okay, now first of all, understand this particular template, that what is the basic structure of this template, so we can design this type of template. First of all, see, here is the gray color background of body. Okay, and secondly, now suppose I want to create such type of template, then I have to divide my web page into tabular form, into rows and columns and cells and etc. So first of all, I just see that how we can break this template into tabular form. So to create in the tabular form, just this is my one table which is on the center of this web page from here to here, and this table is having one row, this hot air bubble is written over there, second row which is having some hyperlinks, and this white color portion is my third row, this whole, and next this footer is my fourth row. So means we are having 4 row and one single column. This whole is one single column in this table. So I also take a just go to the split mode and insert a table, okay, which is having 4 row, 1 column, and suppose give 800 pixels. Okay, at present I don't know what is the actual width of this website, so I just take 800 pixels, which is a average one, and I just put a 1 pixel border thickness and give 0 and 0 cell padding and cell spacing, because at this time we don't require any cell padding and cell spacing. Okay, and just take a non header style and okay. Now we are having a table, but this table is looking because it's having 800 pixels width, so it's near about 800, so it is not coming fully in this, so we can change something over there. So I will just go to the view and magnification, and from the 100% to 66%, so that it is coming, it reduce its size, so it is 0 to 800 pixels is over there. It is just due to because my screen resolution is 800 by 600, so it is not it will not come into the 100% because my screen width is 800 pixel. So if my web page is also, or my table is also is 800 pixels, so it will give a scroll bar, and so we need to scroll and see this particular template, but at this time I just put it into the centers. Okay. Now one more thing we have to do, that we should it should become just save it and view in this browser. Okay, I'll just increase the size of this table. Yes, up to something. You can do this thing by pressing control key and scrolling by mouse, or we can go to the view, and here is the zoom in, zoom out, or you can also take, if I suppose I take 100%, then it would also give same problem with this particular Dreamweaver having. So I do not see this into 100% at present. View it into this zoom and give 75%, so it is reduced. Or we can just increase some more percentage. Okay, fine. Now it is not coming into the center, so for putting this into the center, I just go to the table property, and what we have to do align center. So now my table will come into the center, so it is not viewing here, but if you open, okay, which one is this? Yeah, if you open this and refresh it, it comes into the center. Fine. Now my table is there, and now we have to create such type of template. So first of all, I made this size similar to this. Okay, fine. Now first row is this, which is having hot air balloons heading. This is the name of website, so I will give also this type of name. And okay, one more thing is there. First of all, we required a CSS file, so please create a CSS file also. Yes, and save it to style sheet, or you can also give any other name and save it. Okay, just delete it, save it. Now look, this particular browser, this browser, this web page is having background color brown, gray. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a body CSS and give background, not border, background color, and I'm just going to select the color brown color, gray color, sorry, light gray. So, and we need to include this CSS style sheet file into this HTML. So what we can do for this, we can write the link tag over there, or we are having some direct option, so we can do these things from the properties also. Suppose style, attach style sheet and browse and select this. Okay, and just go to define, just cancel, browse, star, just a minute, copy this and this, paste it, and okay. Yeah, it comes here, and okay. So your link tag and href and all this relation and type are also there. So if you see this web page and refresh it, yeah, your background color is now gray, because we have created a body attribute. This is a CSS class, which is a tag style class, which is having same name with the tag name, so it will apply to the whole tag, body tag, and all the body background should be great. One more thing I will do here, I just give margin top equal to 0 pixel. Okay, look why I have given this, because at this time in this template, if you see, there is some margin, it is by default margin, so I don't want some margin over there, so I have put it a margin in a body at the top is 0. So I just refresh it. Now you see this, there is 0 margin between 0 margin at the top level of this body. now come to the actual template. Yeah, now if you see, here is a text is written hot air balloons, so I also need this text over there. So I just go to this TD and I have written hot air balloons here, and see this. It is better to see this into the browser. Yeah, hot air balloons, which is entirely different from this, because it is hot air balloons is different from this, so we need to convert this into this type. So what I have to do, it is better to use CSS for any type of designing which is concerned with the color or size or style or padding or anything else. So I'm going to create a CSS files, a dot heading. You can give any other name, but at present I am giving just top heading, and give some dimensions. Suppose text color is, what is the text color? It is white, and font size, so for the text color give color white, for the white FFFF, or you can also select this from this particular color grid, or text, or just font size, I just give 24, and font family. Okay, for the font family I just apply font family into the body, so the whole body is with the same font family. So the whole content, text content come inside the font body tag, will come into this particular font family style. And font size, by default font size should be suppose I give 10 pixels. We will see, and if it required, then we will also change this. But okay, yeah, one more thing I have to do. So this, if you see there is a padding between top border to the content, and here is also some padding at the bottom. So I will apply some padding at the top, near about 30 pixels, and padding at the bottom, near about 10 pixels, like this, and apply this heading class to this particular TD. So class heading, top heading. Yeah, heading become more good. Yeah, it is nearly about this, but this H, A, B, these are capital, but in the original these are not capital. So one thing also we can do, it is text transfer into lowercase. So we write in anything, in any format, the all will appear into the lowercase. Yes. Or you can also write this thing, this text designed by free CSS template, but it is not designed by free CSS template because we are going to design. So I will write here design by me. Okay, fine, but it is not similar, it is not, its size and the size is not similar to this, so we need to give some other size. So we can also change, because it's a little work, so I can also change font and try to give size. Size should be 4. Okay, let it, okay, it comes little bit smaller. Let's just give more small font and try but it is not a good practice to do this, because if you want to reduce this size, then make another CSS file and create it. But it is not a big issue, so I'm just giving font tag and giving size here. Okay, fine. Now this portion is this portion is completed. Now come to this next row. Okay, now this row is having black color, or it might be using this image as a background. So at present we can do anything, like we can apply background color black, or we can apply background as an image. So let's see what I will do here. Look this, one thing I do here, I just go to the going to insert an image and select the image like this, and okay, you can see. Okay, what is the using of this image over there? We do not use image over there, but we will get the height and width of this image. So I just cut, because my web page size is width is equal to this image, so I just use this height and width over there and just delete this image. Or if you want to keep this, you can keep over there and just set background, or we can say we can apply a class. Just go to and create a class. Top menu, and just go and set a background color black, and we can also set this height and width over there. Width is 910 and height is this, so just set width equal to 910 pixels and height equal to 50 pixels. Yes, and just remove this thing and just apply class top menu. Yes, okay, maybe give some problem. Let's give width 910 pixel. Let's see, seeing this browser, so can have, okay, it's fine. Maybe it will come after viewing this into the 100%. Be good, it will looks good. It is going outside. Okay, maybe due to this this is not a coding problem, this is just a editor problem. It is resolved. View magnifying 66%. Maybe it is not a big problem, just 66%. Okay, fine. Now one thing I just do this, I remove the border of this table. Yes, and see. Okay, fine. Now see, in this browser here is a menu which is having 1 2 3 4 5 6 hyperlink. So to create this menu, what I have to do, I'm just going to insert a table which is having how many menu type? 1 2 3 4 5 6, one row and 6 column, and width should be 400, or just left the width, just give and set a border and okay. Now this just remove a width tag from this. Okay, there is no width tag. Let's see, here is the table, but I don't want this table at this position. So first of all I have to, okay, first of all we will give some links over there. Suppose home, okay, but it is not looking here because font color is similar to this. So what we can do, we can change font color in this menu. So color, just give white. Now the colors, okay, what is this menu? What's the top menu is there? Font color is not happening. Let's see in this. Yeah, here is a home. Okay, let's forget. We will resolve this. First of all, home. Okay, just write over there. About, contact, and blog, and perhaps what else are there? About, contact, photo, and suppose I give login, because links are depends on us that whether we have to give 6 link or 5 link or 3 or any other thing. Okay, now one more thing, that it should come at the bottom. So just put V align at the bottom. Okay, now what happened? Yeah, it comes at the bottom. And okay, there must be this particular links background is white color, and there is some border or space between these links. So how we can do this? So for making this, first of all, I'm just going to create them all the all this simple text into the hyperlink. So I just go to there and write home.html. So this anchor tag is appear here. Select this and about.html. Now select this contact and write contact.html. blog.html and photo, select it, and photo.html, and next one is login. Here is login.html. Save it and view this into the browser. Yeah, this is, but it is entirely different from this. So to do this, now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a new CSS file. So top menu anchor tag, it means whatever inside this top menu, if there is an anchor tag, then this CSS is applied to this particular anchor tag. So first of all, what is the color? Color is black, means font color is black. And what is the background color? background color is white. Okay, just see this. Here is home, about us, contact, doc. The font color is black and background color is white. But still this is very different from this. So now next step, what we have to do, just go to the CSS and apply some more things. Give text decoration none, so underline will not come, and font size is 9 pixel because font size is still some bigger. Now see what is the difference. Okay, 9 is just increase this equal to this. Okay, it's too less, so we need to give more bigger font. Yeah, perhaps it is similar. Now one more thing we have to do, this is there is no gap between these, and this is coming very it is not looking so good, so we need to change something more here. So what we have to do, I'm just going to add padding. Okay, padding at the top is 10 pixel, at the right is 10 pixels, at the bottom is 10 pixels, and at the left is 10 pixels. And close. Yes. Now see. Yes. But still there is some more bigger padding should be there. So what we have to do, I'm just going to increase at the top and at the bottom. And one more thing, apply some display property to the block. Okay, it's not bigger, so just set 10 and give 10. Yes, it is more than sufficient, but it is more bigger than this. So what we have to do, whether we have to reduce some more, so give 8 at the top and 8 at the bottom. Yes, it's good. Now one more thing, because in my original template there is some gap, so what we can do for this gap, there is so many ways from we can apply this gap to this, but what I will do, yes, in the top menu style, because this table is inside this top menu class tag td. So what I will do, I just apply padding left in the top menu, 20 pixels. So in this top menu td there will be a padding, so that this table is just away from this border, similarly to yes, like this. So we can also reduce this. One more thing I will do, I'm just going to remove this border. Now look this. Okay, it is looking fixed, there is no gap between this. So what we have to do, I'm just going to apply border right, yeah, border right color is black, border right style is solid, and border right width is 2 pixels. Let's see. Okay, now it is some border, so just go to the browser and see. Here is the border similar to this. Okay, border is we need to increase the border width, so just go to the style sheet and increase this border width to the 4 and see. Now it's looking somewhat similar to this. Now one more thing is there, that if you see, whenever my mouse is over, there is underline. Whenever my mouse is out, underline is closed. So what we can do, we can create a CSS for over, mouse over, HOVER, and just only change the text decoration to the underline. Now see, yeah, now it is working. So similar to this, my menu is ready. There is a little bit difference between in size, that there may be perhaps they are little bit more bigger than this, but you can also change using padding or any other things. Now next we have to work out on this portion. So first of all, for this portion I am taking a single row from this corner to the bottom, and last one is my footer. So first of all, this particular TD is with background color is white. So first of all, I'm just going to do one thing, that create a class. Okay, don't show this. Just create a class, class name main area. Okay. And just give background color white and apply this class to this particular TD, class main area. So it is white, but it is not it is very small piece of area. So first of all, I increase height 300 pixels. Maybe it will change after some time, but at present I will just use this 300 pixels. Okay, this comes here. And suppose now what is the next step? Suppose look this. Yes, if you see this carefully, then there will be a gap in our web page. There is a gap at the top, there is a gap at the left side, there is also gap at the right side, and there is also gap at the bottom. So what I have to do, I just go to and add padding 20 pixels. For this apply 20 space 20 in the all 4 direction. There will be a padding of 20 pixels. So if you write any text over there, then it will be away 20 pixels away from the border. Now what we have to do next step. Now I'm going to see this web page, that how we can create this. So for particular this body, I'm just going to take a new table which is having one row for this image and second row for this whole content, and having 2 columns for this and this, and we will merge both column for this image. Okay, fine. So I just go to this area and insert a table which is having 2 row and 2 column, and width should be 100% and border should 0 and okay. Here is the table. So first of all we have to merge these two cell and we need to insert image. What is the image? Image is over there. Cancel or you can set main. This is alternate text. Just save it and look at this into the browser. Yeah. One more thing, this table is giving some problem, so we need to do one more thing, that just apply v-align to the top, so this table comes at the top of the. So here is the gap, it reduced because originally the 20 pixels padding we have applied, only these 20 pixels should come here and rest of the things should come after this image. Now okay, now before doing these all things, I'm just going to do for the footer, so that my last boundary should be also closed, so I'm able to understand what is the exactly position of this main content over there. So first of all just go to the bottom 3D and then just apply, we can apply simple, okay, just create a CSS file, footer. There is also background color which is black, so just select black color, and color which is for the font color, so it should be white, and see many other things are also there. Yeah, there is some text, so the font size is very small because some copyright acts are also there, so font size should be 9 pixels, so just give 10 pixels at least, and text align is center because text is the center, and vertical alignment at the middle, and just apply this. Okay, here is some more things, suppose width is also there, 40 pixels, let's see, 40 pixels. Yeah. Class footer, let's see the in the browser. Okay, with this, okay, sorry, no, we have to not give width, it should be, we need to give height, not width. Yeah, it's good. And just you can write copy write @ HotAirBallons.com. See this into the browser. It's coming. You can also increase font size from 9 and 10 to 12, so it is more readable. but actually when this web page come in the actual size, all the font is more bigger. So actual size of this font is where is the zoom? Its actual size is this, so it is more readable. So first of all, now okay, sorry, yeah, it is more bigger. We have to reduce at this time size. Yeah, that's now we have to only work out for this main area where is some content, because basic structure is ready for our website template. Yes, close this, come and see. Now if you go to the original template and see, here is some gap, okay, from this. So for this gap, I'm just leaving this row as it is, and I just go to the table tag and insert a new row here, and now I'm going to do workout for this particular row. Okay, so first of all, what I just copy this text and go to this TD and paste it and see what happened. Yeah, this is working. And what is this? Here is the heading. Some text is there, but color of this text is different, and maybe the size is also different. So first of all, I need to create a CSS file for this. So what we can do, I just go to and apply, or we can do one more thing. Yes, it is better to do this. Just apply some heading. Suppose H2 heading is there. Okay, let's see. Yes. And I just go to there and create a H2 CSS class, and just go to the color and set the color, just take like this. It can be some more different from the original color, but it's not a matter. Size should give 18 pixels. Font weight, we can apply font weight to the bold. Let's see. Yeah, it's now looking pretty good from the previous one. Now after that, we need to give some text is over there. So just to go to and apply this text after this heading. Yes. Now see. Okay. See this into the browser. My template. Yes. Okay, this is coming into the full page, means our TD is spread at this position. So first of all, I just keep this at this place. Yeah, but do remember this while doing this type of activity, such stretching the TD and TR, all these things. Look, there is some percentage dimensions out there, so keep it in mind that it should not give any problem in the further. So sometime it is percentage, because this percentage is not looking so much convenient for us. So at this time, just go to and view this thing into the browser that it is working properly. Now if you see, here is the original text, which is some more small text and color is not exactly black, it is somewhat dark gray type. So we should also convert this text into the similar text of this. So what we can do for this, so we can create a CSS file dot left text. Suppose I have created left text, and first of all color should be dark gray, and font size is very small. And one more thing is over there, just apply this, C. Okay, apply this into this TD left text. Actually see this into the browser. Okay, it is very much small, so we have to increase the size of text to 9 to 10. And now see, we need little bit more bigger, just give 12 maybe. Yeah, it's now it's looking somewhat good. Now we can also improve this text at this level. So what we have to do for this, just to go to this, and first of all I just increase width little bit. Yeah, and add more attributes like line height to the 20 pixels, and color is more light, so like this. And now see what happens. I think I should give line height little bit more, 5. Now it's somewhat looking like this. Okay, one more thing, that there is no alignment, proper alignment, so just set text align is justified. Yeah, now your text is properly aligned, and here is a proper systematic text is over there. Okay, now come to the next thing. Just go to there. Yeah, category. So just copy this category text, and we can just go to the next line and paste category, and put this into the H2 tag also. Yes, H2 tag. Yeah, this is category. So look this into the browser. Okay, here is the category. Now for the category, okay, uncategorized, and some text is there, so just I am using copy and paste, so I do not need to type uncategorized, but it is hyperlink, so just put a hyperlink. href, I do not know what to give in the href, so I just put it hash and save it. Now see, okay, after this I just put a br tag, so next text come after the line break, and same things come at least 2 or 3 times. Okay, maybe slow. Now go to the browser and refresh it. You will see there is a hyperlink, and it's the title over there. Now let's see, just go to the original template. And if you see at the bottom of this category there is a dotted or dashed line, and after another category there is also a dotted dashed line, and after another category